It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a pair of Maui gems that I love. You guys, there's a couple reasons why I like these glasses, but I'm going to give you just a few. So number one is definitely going to be the flexibility of these frames. I don't feel like these are going to break. They're very durable. And because of that flexibility, they actually wrap around your face really nicely. Another thing I like about these frames is that they don't have any frame detail on the top or bottom of the lens. So they're almost frameless aside from the fact that you have these arms. Another thing I absolutely love about these glasses is going to be the nose pads. You guys, these are almost like a Mercedes of nose pads. They're super cushiony. They make the glasses very comfortable to wear. Let me go ahead and show you them on. So as you can see, they have a very, very low profile, and I feel like I'm just wearing lenses, which is a great feeling. My view is not obstructed whatsoever from that low profile design, and they're super lightweight, you guys. I love these glasses. That's my point of view.